single Filipinos. And you are the very first Filipinos that are invited, the very first users that is going to be using the very first social media in the entire history of the Philippines. And the good news is, it happened to be in Ilocos, and it happened to be in Lawag City, and it happened to be you that are present in the very first launching of the very first social media app in the Philippines. So I want to congratulate every single one that is present today. Your presence today will, I believe, will change history of the Philippines. Your presence today will change the history of media app in the Philippines, and your presence today will determine the success of this very app. So, my friends, my neighbors, my teachers, and every single one who is present today, you are a part of a history making in a social media in the Philippines. So I want everybody to clap, give yourself. This is your app. This is not my app. This is not any American's app or any other nation app. This is a Filipino app. This is your app, and you can own it yourself, because that's why we call this launching the Founders Day. There are 300 Filipinos right there, right now, and we call you us the founder partners. You are a partner of this app, and as a partner, I congratulate you, because you will be the one who will be spreading it all over the Philippines. Your responsibility will be to spread all over the Philippines. So, my friends, I congratulate you. I thank you for coming, and every single one who did work and who put this together, I thank you, every single one of you, especially Dana, for making this possible, Pastor Rafi for making this possible, and the media people, Gina B, and every single media. Thank you very much for coming. Our neighbors in Cavite, Lawag City, thank you for coming. Barangay Captain Mila in Cavite, thank you for coming. I thought I also saw my teacher, Lolita Montano. She was my teacher when I was high school in Divine. Thank you for coming. And every single one whom I did not mention, thank you all for coming. This is for you. This is your app. Atin ito, huwatay daytoy. Let me say that again. Huwam daytoy nga app. Awan sa balik akin kukwa, ket no sikat akin kukwa. So, Ayatko nga, I want you to treat it like yours. I want you to treat it like your own. I want you to love it. I want you to make it like nothing else in the world, because, you know, Facebook is not attached to you. Facebook is something foreign to you, and the other social media doesn't have a relationship or attachment to you. But Ayatko is something that is Filipino. There's a relationship. It is yours. So my friend, atin ito, this is our app, Huwam Daytoy. So my friends, treat it as yours. So I welcome you to our founding day. I welcome you to the launching of the app. Thank you very much for coming. Right there, Ayatko, my friends, this is for you. This is not, I saw that video, the beginning video. I was like, this is not about me. This is not about Aurelio Almazan. This is not about a one person, but it's for every single one of you. Because when there's a social media in the Philippines, the world is going to notice it. Every single one, every nation in the world is going to notice that Philippines will have their social media. And my friends, you are a part of launching that. So my friends, welcome. Thank you very much. And I welcome you.